Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. Today we're making some quick and easy and delicious shrimp po' boys with a spicy remoulade sauce. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by making our remoulade sauce. So to my bowl, I'm going to add in some mayo, some Dijon Mustard, ketchup, Worcestershire Sauce, hot sauce, of course, to give it that nice kick, some Sweet Relish, lemon juice, and for my seasonings, I'm going to be using some Cajun Seasoning, Paprika, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, and some Old Bay. And we're just going to whisk everything together to combine, give it a good taste test, and adjust it to our liking. Alright guys, so now that our remoulade is made, we're going to cover it and refrigerate it until we're ready to use it. And then we're going to work on our toppings for our po' boys, which of course I'm only using lettuce and tomatoes. So I'm going to thinly slice my tomatoes and then chop up my lettuce, cover that up, and then set it to the side also. Alright guys, so now that our toppings are prepped, we're going to work on our breading for our shrimp. So in a separate bowl, I'm going to add in some all-purpose flour along with some yellow cornmeal. We're going to lightly season it with the same seasonings that we use for the sauce. We're going to give it a nice good whisk to combine and then set that aside. Alright guys, so to help our breading stick, in a separate bowl, I'm going to add in some eggs along with some hot sauce. I'm going to whisk that up to combine and then set that to the side. And then we're going to work on our shrimp. So I have some medium raw peeled and deveined shrimp with the tail off. You can use whatever size shrimp you want to use. And we're going to season those generously with the same seasonings, of course. And then we'll be ready to bread it up and fry. Alright guys, I have my breading station set up here. So I'm going to dip the shrimp into the flour mixture, then into the eggs, back into the flour mixture, and then we'll place the shrimp into the fry basket. Alright guys, so we're ready to fry our shrimpies. So we're going to fry them in batches at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Alright guys, so these are perfect. So we're just going to drain them on paper towels and repeat the process until we fry them all. Alright guys, so let's assemble our po' boy. So I have my toasted hoagie rolls here. Now at the time, my local grocery store did not have the bread that I normally use, and I'll insert a clip of what I'm referring to. But yeah, they only had these skinny rolls, so I had to use what I had, y'all. So I'm just going to spread my remoulade sauce on both sides, add my lettuce, tomatoes, and my shrimp, of course, and then fold that top half right on over. As you can see, my bread ended up ripping. It was super soft, so I had to use some toothpicks to secure it, but that's okay. It still turned out great. Alright guys, we are done. Here's our finished product. Serve these po' boys up with some french fries or some chips and you will not be disappointed. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.